seriously, Mary, please stop snoring. Oh, Mary. Oh, sorry. You just plugged in your phone.